Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we're going to delve deep into Apple. We initially shared a report on our website on Friday, December 15, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial to stay informed about any updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 7, 2023, our system has identified Apple as a buy candidate with a score of 1.47. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has shown a gain of 8.66%. This means that on average, it has delivered a daily return of 0.31% since it was marked as a buy candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend is likely. However, if the stock breaks through the top trend line at $198.51, it may indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 14.4% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 4.67% to 14.94%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 36.37% change over the next year. This could lead to a potential return between 20.31% and 36.89%. In other words, the stock price may range from $237.69 to $270.45 after a year. Our latest update on Apple brings some interesting news. The headline reads, Apple stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Friday's trading session. On the last day of trading, which was Friday, the 15th of December 2023, the Apple stock price experienced a decrease of 0.273%, dropping from $198.11 to $197.57. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by 0.700%, reaching a low of $197.02 and a high of $198.40. Looking at the recent trends, the stock price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, and it has shown an overall increase of 3.31% over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 49 million on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, approximately 115 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to around $22.68 billion. When we consider the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we find that the highest price reached was $199.62, while the lowest price was $124.17. At present, the stock price is 1.03% or $2.05 below the 52-week high. Additionally, it stands 13.45% or $30.69 below the all-time high, which was recorded on August 30, 2018, when the price reached $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, Citigroup upgraded Apple to a buy grade but maintained a hold action. On Thursday, December 14, 2023, KeyBank assigned a sector weight grade to Apple with a hold action. On Friday, November 24, 2023, Wedbush upgraded Apple to an outperform grade but maintained a hold action. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, KeyBank assigned a sector weight grade to Apple with a hold action. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Raymond James upgraded Apple to an outperform grade but maintained a hold action. Analysts have overwhelmingly recommended buying Apple stock, giving it a strong buy rating. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buy indicators. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a neutral stance on the stock. Today, we'll be discussing the signals that have been identified for Apple. Let's start with the stock's performance. There are mixed signals today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 14, 2023, and as of now, the stock has fallen by -0.273%. The indication is that it may further decline until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could serve as an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock in light of this information. However, it's not all negative. The Apple stock holds by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which provides a positive forecast for the stock. Furthermore, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In terms of support levels, if there are corrections downwards, the stock is expected to find support at $195.93 and $187.16. However, if it breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence is currently indicating a sell signal. Pivots have also indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger Bands are showing a buy signal from 1 day ago. The short-term moving average has given a buy signal 12 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average has provided a buy signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 29 days ago. Moving on to the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average indicated a buy signal 32 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average provided a buy signal 29 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages has shown a buy signal 17 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Let's talk about the support levels for Apple's stock. Currently, there are 2 key support levels just below today's level. The first support level is at $181.82, and the second one is at $176.65. These support levels indicate price points where the stock has historically found buying interest. It's important to keep an eye on these levels because if the stock breaks below them, it may continue to decline towards the next support level at $166.89. Apple's stock is known for its controlled movements and good liquidity, which makes the risk associated with it relatively low. This means that the stock typically doesn't experience significant price swings or sudden drops. In fact, over the last day, the stock only had a price range of $1.38, which is equivalent to 0.700% of its value. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.34%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's first discuss some important fundamental data. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within the normal range, which is often observed in companies with a long track record or predictable revenues. Moving on to the latest news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 1, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.08. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's analyze some potential day trading levels for Apple. If Apple shows an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $197.96. If you're considering entering a position and don't own any shares yet, it might be prudent to wait until this level is breached. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if Apple experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $181.82. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point for traders anticipating a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has a strong buy rating. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On November 29, 2023, Condo Christ sold 5,513 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 16, 2023, Adams Catherine L. bought 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 17, 2023, Adams Catherine L. sold 123,448 shares of common stock. On November 10, 2023, Condo Christ sold 4,806 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be minus 22.765, indicating a negative trend. In total, insiders purchased 2,434,113 shares and sold 4,040,792 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $192.15, which reflects a decrease of 2.74%. The stock has relatively small daily movements, resulting in lower risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, we believe that Apple stock may present a buying opportunity in the short term. While there are some minor weaknesses in the technical picture, overall trends and signals are positive. Furthermore, our systems indicate that the current price of Apple stock is undervalued, considering the volatility and movements observed in the last trading day. Looking ahead to Monday, December 18th, we anticipate that Apple will open up at $197.66, representing a $0.0933 increase from its previous closing price. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions in the stock market. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for the stock? Let's engage in a meaningful discussion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.